K-merch currently exploding in popularity with hot interest. It's hard to buy due to the sold-out frenzy. So we made it ourselves. After turning on the magic E4 and attaching the dedicated cutting clamp, Haetae image designed to be used as a brass bookmark. Import the Haetae image for scribing engraving into the Magic Engrave program, then generate the toolpath for scribing engraving. Change from the scribing tool to the end mill tool for the cutting process. Automatically measure the length of the new tool after tool change. Cut along the outline of the engraved area using the end mill. Completed engraving and cutting of the brass bookmark. Need metal material engraving and cutting? Compact CNC engraving machine Magic E4. Search for REDT.